Introducing the Down Payment Assistance Grant. If you're using an FHA loan, this is a game changer. You can use the grant to cover your down payment cost. Stay tuned for the details. Current rates on conventional loans are about 6.7% and about 6.1% for government loans for those with excellent credit. Some big economic news this week. The ADP jobs report showed that employment increased by 164,000 jobs. And the jobs report for December came out on Friday. Even though the news was saying that this jobs report was greater than expected, it didn't factor in that many of these jobs were part-time jobs held by people with a full-time job. And if we account for this data, we can see that the jobs report is suggesting a slowdown rather than a growth in the labor market. Market reactions led to a slight increase in interest rates, but a more in-depth analysis of this data may lead to rates dipping again very soon. It's reassuring to see the market maintain this stability, with interest rates staying about 6 to 6.5%. And this coming week, we're expecting two big reports. One of those is going to be CPI report, the Consumer Price Index, that is going to hopefully show us inflation continuing to lower, and in turn, rates will follow. In the real estate landscape, the relocation rate for home buyers hit an 18-month low in the months of September and November. I think it had a lot to do with interest rates at the time during September and November. That's when we were seeing 8% interest rates. I think another big factor to that is seeing a large reduction in work from home opportunities. If you're seeing homes lingering on the market a little longer, this could be due to the drop in purchase applications during the holiday season. We have already seen improvements on this in the first week of January. Freddie Mac's Housing Price Index report showed that prices dipped in October and November, but year over year, it's showing an increase of about 6.2%. Now let's dive into the details of this down payment assistance grant. Remarkably, this grant isn't just to first-time homebuyers. It extends to first responders, medical personnel, city, state, and federal employees, whether they're retired or just volunteers. Another great thing about this is that income is not a factor, and this grant can even be applied to manufactured homes. There is a minimum credit score required of about 620. So you can see, unlike other down payment assistance programs, this is a very unique opportunity. The down payment assistance grant really stands out because it waives the higher fees. And most importantly, it waives the second lien on a property. There is no payback to this grant. And you can sell or refinance right after the seasoning period, which is about 6 to 7 months after you close, making this a genuine down payment assistance opportunity. Feel free to reach out with any questions. While I'm only licensed in North Carolina, this program is available in 49 states. Reach out to me and I can connect you with my referral sources for this program. Before I sign off, I'd like to get your feedback on these videos. Let me know if they're helpful or what additional information that you would like, or any other suggestions that you may have. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and help spread this valuable information to the real estate community of buyers, sellers, and professionals. And we'll see you next week.